Well, here's my 2021 Superduke. Thought I'd do a little video showing the bike off a bit. I've had it for come up to 5-6 months now. The second owner. It's an absolute weapon. Ridiculously fast. I'm parked underneath the bridge here, so when the cars go through, that's how the noise is. I thought I'd talk through some mods the bike's got. Got the Austin Racing slip-on. Sounds awesome. Show you a demo of that in a bit. It's not got the full system, something I'm going to look into eventually. Got the Evo sliders on the bike to protect it. Got a little cap there. I've got the ones coming through up the top, but they're a bit of a delay because the original badge was defective. They had a bit of a leak apparently, so waiting for KTM to send me the new ones. Just put these mirrors on today. Not bad, much better than the original ones. Super good. Got the Evo levers, front and back, adjustable. Sorry, not Evo, Evo Tech. That's it. And I've got this carbon rear hugger. Sets the bike off really nice. And obviously the graphics kit I put on myself and designed from Hyena IT is the website. So that's the graphics kit there. Come out alright. See that there. Obviously got the KTM fly screen as well. Put these on there as well. On forks. Got the Evo Tech brake caliper protectors and the sliders. And the radiator guard as well. You can see that there. Got the custom seat cover from Louis Murto. Fantastic, really nice quality that, from Canada. It took about 10 days as well, I think. I've got the rear sticker on the tail tidy of the bike. Also got the blanking, the rear peg blanking kit as well to tie this up the lines of the bike. And obviously the Evo tail tidy, which you can see there. Lovely bike. Still got lots of plans for it. Lots more carbon, new exhaust. Thinking about getting the wheels sprayed a different colour. Yeah. Start the bike. The bike's got all the track packs, every extra on it basically, except for the heated grips and heated seat, which I don't really need, to be honest. But yeah, here we go. Yep, absolutely lovely bike. So I thought I'd show you the dash quickly as well. So you've got these buttons here. Now you access the menus by pressing this one to the right. Just up to the right goes into the menu. Got the KTM My Ride app. It's quite good for for navigation and stuff like that. Also good if you pair your phone with a headset and you can answer phone calls on it. You can't make calls, but you can answer them. Lad, it's a triumph. Yeah, so that's that. Obviously you can go into the performance mode, which I'm in now, to leave it, so get out of that. These are the different ride modes you've got. Track and performance are pretty much the same, but I think track just limits what it shows you on the screen. So if I was to go into sport, for instance, into sport, you can do this on the fly when you're riding along, but you just have to shut the throttle off. But yeah, once you're into your ride mode, then you can go into motorcycle and adjust what you want on and off. You've got the quick shifter on, so you can turn the ABS into supermoto mode as well. I'm doing this just by forward and back here, forward and back. Let's go back to the other mode. And you've got the settings in there, other custom switches for that. You can put your own buttons on there, choose what you want to do with Bluetooth. What else is it? So then, ride mode sport. Also, if you want to turn off the anti-wheelie, you have to go into performance. Here you can really adjust what you want. So you've got the launch control, whether you want it on or off. Anti-wheelie, on or off. Throttle, you can choose how reactive it is. You can also turn off the, I believe that's the full traction control, you can turn off there. ABS, okay. Trips. Got some more bikes coming. Here as well is where you can adjust the slip there. And these buttons here, and there's another one at the back. Adjust the slip here, you can see as I'm pressing the button at the back here, the slip is going down. Turn it back up. That's also how you adjust the cruise control, so it's a very easy cruise control. As you're riding along, I think it's above 40 miles an hour, I think you can only activate it. Press that button there, and then you press the set button, which I think is at the back. Press the back button down here, and then the cruise control will come on, and you can actually adjust the speed just by pressing these up and down. And then as soon as you touch a brake or anything, you can actually go up and down the gears and it will stay on cruise control. It will disengage. Here's your light switch, high beam, low beam. Not bad. Yeah, it's got automatic cancelling indicators, which actually work really well, but one little gripe with this bike is this button. It's a shocker. It's very hard to turn off when you're riding. It's not the best feel. Other than that, it's fantastic. The bike is really impressive. It impresses me more and more every time I ride it. You can actually change your display as well when you're riding along. So by pressing the up button, you give yourself some more information, and then you press to the right, it changes to even more, so you can get this information on the fly. You press it up again, it will give you even more. So, I mean, it's always to press the back button to go back, always. That's that. It's in the night mode at the moment because I'm under a bridge. And then these are the custom buttons here, so you press one of them, it goes straight into whatever you set it to. I've got mine on my KTM My Ride app, and if I leave performance like that, and I press the button the other way, there you go, it goes straight. I've set it so it goes, I can change the ride mode quickly rather than having to go into all the settings on the fly. So yeah, great bike, absolutely love it, highly recommend one, absolutely awesome. Cheers, hope you like my video.